This is a direct compatible replacement cartridge for Neopost IS280 and Hasler IM280 mailing machines. The cartridges are manufactured to very precise standards and machine tested multiple times prior to being packaged and deemed field-ready. You will not find a better cartridge for your money anywhere else on the market. Great product, with Amazon convenience and guaranteed satisfaction. Direct compatible replacement cartridge for Neopost IS280 and Hasler IM280 mailing machines. This product is for the USA market only. Compares to ISINK2, IMINK2, Surejet 4145144H. 90-day warranty, so buy with confidence. Total imprints up to 2,500. With fluorescent red ink. Same-day shipping by Amazon. Our products are manufactured with only the highest quality materials and have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. It works. There's a red-orange tab you remove and then you simply remove the old cartridge and put this one in its place. It's very easy to do, plus instructions are provided.